Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about how to use a material in Angular application. In simple video I will simply get it installed in the our project. So I have a project created here which have Angular 10 and I just run and it's not working. So let's try with the material. So doing that I need to do something like add Angular material. So if I do this, it will try to install the material package for Angular application. So you can see that this is trying to installing something, installing package for tooling via npm. So let's wait for it. So I think this is something doing, and I'm choosing indigo pink and saying yes, yes, and you can see that this is installing the package. And in some cases this thing get broken. So let's see if this is broken. I will tell you how to fix it. So you can see that this thing is not going to work. So what I will do it, like I will install this package. Okay, so if you got anything issue like this, you can simply install all these three things. So for fixing this issue I need to install Angular DevKit schematic and Angular DevKit core and schematic/Angular. If I do this, it will solve all the troubles. So you can see that this is trying to install thing, and it will go run smoothly because there should not be any big thing trouble installing this. So you can see that this is progressing, and this has been okay. So this is get successful. So now I will should try installing material again. So you can see that I choose indigo pink, yes, yes, and this is shown package, and this time it will install successfully. So if you got trouble like this, you can use this trick to install the material, and you can see that this material has been installed now. So thanks for watching my video. I will give this command in the video description. Goodbye.